Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, look at what we are forced to tolerate in this country. What our leaders are forcing us to live with forever. Pakistani, Somali, Ethiopians, Bangladeshis, all these foreign guys who are opening mushrooming tuck shops in this country. Look at what they are feeding to our children. Look at what they are doing to our country. Destroying our economy, destroying people of South Africa. Let me not say much, guys. I just want you to look, especially those who are fighting for them, those who are calling South Africans who are fighting for their country xenophobic. Tell me if you in your own country, you can allow this to happen. You can allow your children to eat this. Man, guys, no, this is too much. This is too much. Let me not say much, just watch it for yourself.
Huh?
No, this is color, right?
No, it's color. But can you have a look at this?
Look.
What's this?
Loko angathi boss wena ku dlana muthu ta nyawe wa tolovile. Loko angathi boss
It's called this.
blueberry gum.
I swear yendwe Malbatin. Mara factory lila. Like a mundulo. Lile factory lanzen la. Kuna equipment. Ile the ice la. Ice pop is like a Cotton Dale Jameana. Kuala. Hey, say a blue.
This ice pop is written outside that it was manufactured in Malbatin, but the factory is in that yard, that shack. That is where they are manufacturing these ice pops. Look at the color of that dye. You can see sneakers. It changed a white sneaker to a blue sneaker. And this ice pop is sold to our kids. Their own children are not eating this. They are selling it to South African kids. Look at how strong this dye is. Look at that sneaker. It turned immediately from white color to blue color. And this thing is supposed to be consumed by human being. What is this dye doing inside of these kids' internal organs? And you'll hear people saying, South Africans are being xenophobic. And the most painful part, as they are chasing them here from this village, they are running to another place to continue with the same thing. Because even us, sometimes we behave like this government. We sacrifice our children to be unalived by these people. This is a very serious case. Attempted unaliving. These people are supposed to rot in jail for the rest of their lives for what they are doing. How many kids right now are sebebabulele by this thing? Because we've seen nowadays our children are just, you'll hear that a child got sick for just 3 days, then he's no more. And we are expected to keep quiet. And we have a government, leaders who are fighting for these people. These people are destroying the economy of this country. And our leaders are aware of that.
It's not a business, you know what? It's not a business, mara kumewela utakipela mundu endlaka swakufana sweswi.
It's not my business.
Hey brother. Ilwe mundu endlaka swakufana sweswi. Guys, makale ya hanya la khotondela niwa. Wa ile. Makale ya hanya la ile tag takoti vathi makagiliti. Matvone bootcan. Matvone let's barcode leswi lo mchino ko mayivona hina ngeti tlhoti na swakina va mani a yi chava vanhu ntiyiso hi leswi hi lowu muchini wa kona mara vana va hina shemo vonani hi leswi a va ta hi byela i ku ya sidamani
Hey, brother, come here.
Hey bra ya aplausa wu hi kwatisa bra
le bathroom kasi wayifona wayala leri above lava mixaka kona.
Inside the toilets, that is where they are making these lollipops. Inside the dirty toilets, look at the bathtub. And I don't even know why this community is still having even isikhathi sokuthi behleke. Because labantu bekufanele ngabe bayabanjwa and then umphakathi uyithathele umthetho esandleni. No, we cannot tolerate this. And mina guys ngithi noma ngabe bathini as yaboma njengamanje, we have to stand up, all of us in this country, as patriots and fight this. We don't have to listen to people because bona they are not affected telling us ukuthi we are busy, we are running after Black Africans. All these things are done by Black Africans. It's not a secret. We've never seen white people doing all these things in this country. Those foreigners, we are told ukuthi there are other foreigners who are not blacks who are in this country. Are they doing all these things? Have you ever seen videos of people from Germany, those illegal from foreigners from Germany, from France, from USA, doing all these things? Are these things not done by our fellow Africans, Black Africans, to us? And we have leaders who are telling us to run after those people who did not do anything wrong to us. If they know them, why are they not taking them out of this country? We are speaking about these people who are destroying our country, who are unaliving our kids. And these leaders want to shift our focus from these people who are destroying us to other people. No, guys. Labantu akudilwe nabo. Asingahlehli. Asingathuswa ilaba abakhuluma izinto ezinegative about us. Asenze umsebenzi. Asilwele abantwana bethu.
Like toilet. Ali shower makula malawaya.
Yunzulishela. Yijikisi uyiganamisa ni batayibona abantu bamsaba.
Mavona ngwemishava kuti mishava kususele makuleni. Mavona ku landzeni ku na hila. Makula mavuye hi matimba n'wana ku rivala ku yi dlaya swa straight mavabyi leswi. Mavona hambi yo yi shake hi ku ifa ku ri maybe ku lo mixana ti flavor to hambana a swi ta.
Yeah, this is it, guys. This is what we are forced to tolerate. This is what we are forced to live with forever. Even if you take this video, send it to Ramaphosa, send it to all these unpatriotic leaders of South Africa, the so-called leaders. They will still fight for these people. Why? Because this thing is not affecting them, it's not affecting their own children. What kind of a leader ongavumela abantu bakhe ukuthi bago through all this? I know some people will say it's because of poverty, which I don't even understand. Those South Africans abathenga kulabantu bese beba ne-excuse yokuthi we are suffering poverty, we are unemployed. Even after seeing all these videos, it's better for you to sacrifice your own life, the lives of your children, because you are suffering. Because I know if I blame them, ukuthi, why are you still buying from these people even after seeing all these things? They will come and say, it's because Tina we siyahlupheka. Some of us are suffering, that is why. But how can you sacrifice the lives of your innocent children because you are suffering? Uzube nesibindi ukuza kuma comment section to tell us ukuthi phela nina maybe ninemali thina asinamali. That is why we are buying from these people. It's better for your children to be unalived because when you are hlupheka. Even after watching all these videos, we are unemployed in this country, but I can never take the risk and go and buy into ezobulala umntanami. Because of ilolipop yethu rents, I will have to bury my child. I'll know, guys. Again, zame enye excuse. Imali yomngcwabo ozoyispenda uspendela ukuthi ungaphindi uyibona ingane yakho ngenxa ye lollipop yethu rand or ngenxa yesinkwa se-15 obungawalka okungcono kukhulunywe ukuthi uwalke i-hour lonke uyothenga isinkwa somewhere la wazi khona ukuthi ku-safe for your children. Even if your children are not being unalived today, if you look at what is happening here, do you think the internal organs of these kids are still going to function okay? after 2-3 years? Will they still be fertile to give children in future? Do you think bazokwazi ukuthi bebe nabantwana in future? I don't think so. In all other African countries, they have tuck shops, but things like this are not happening. These things are happening only in South Africa. Ask yourself why. Because there's no law. The government of South Africa is allowing them to do as they wish. We are in serious trouble. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share the video. Love you. Bye.